Hi everyone, this is Hanbom Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain new quick actions that's been added on version 6.2. Quick actions are easy way to adjust your tasks. Now with new quick actions, you'll be able to do it with more power. First, each quick action can have its own name. It'll be shown on the label. This will be very useful on Mac since it'll be attached to keyboard typing on right-click menu, which can also be opened with Command Enter. Another big change is that single quick action can have multiple actions. You can change due date, add some text on notes, and change priority all at once. You can also make powerful quick actions such as next week's Tuesday by adding 2 due date actions. Try making your own that will suit your needs. Now, items can be deselected after running quick action. By choosing this option, when you run a quick action, it'll be deselected afterwards. Using this on iPhone version will let you go out of the task automatically. Okay, let's see how you set up quick actions. Go into Settings and select Quick Actions. On this page, you'll see all your quick actions. Tap 1 and you can edit or delete. Go to bottom to add a new quick action. You can drag and drop on right side to reorder. Inside a quick action, you type in title on top. If there is no title, it'll be set automatically according to actions you set. There are actions that can be at start only and ones that can be at the end. By tapping Add, you'll see all the actions. Presets are the ones that can be seen on initial adding only. By choosing it, actions will be added accordingly. Duplicate, skip, and delete options can be added on initial state only. Complete, opening URL, opening reminders, and prompt action will finish the adding status of the quick action. On this list, actions that have this arrow will let you set more detailed options. Let's check actions one by one. Prompt action is the first newly added one. This can be very powerful, especially on context menu. You'll be able to type in or select options with this action. First, you can add written text into title, notes, or add a new subtask. You can change option at start to add text at start or at end. You can also add minutes, hours, and days to due date, or add minutes and hours to alert. Select option in prompt action is very powerful. You can add any actions up to 10 to select from. This can let you select options such as different due time, different tags, or lists. You can select presets while adding new quick action and see how it can be done. For example, to add list selecting quick action, you can do it like this. Add a new quick action, choose prompt select. Add list action. Choose specific and select one list. After that, add another action and select another list. By doing this, you'll be able to make a quick action that will show you multiple lists that can be selected from. There are multiple types in due date action. Today, we'll change due date to today. Now we'll set time to now. Next hour, we'll set due date and time to upcoming o'clock. You can set specific time with time type. Relative date can be used to change minutes, hours, days, weeks, and months relatively. You can choose from Sunday to Saturday. Also, you can choose to set next weekday. Next month's first day can be set, or next month's first weekday can be selected too. Start date and alert date can be set too. On these, you can choose from today, time, and relative date. Alert action will let you toggle alert or turn it on or off. Clear time action will remove time. Clear start date will remove start date. Contextual date will set due date as currently selected date on day, week, and month view. Title and notes action will add written text on title or notes. You can choose it to be at start or at the end. Timestamp is a new quick action that adds selected timestamp type on notes field. By doing it, you can keep records of the status. Combining this with notes prompt will let you log things easily. Subtasks action will let you add pre-written subtasks right away. Priorities action will let you increase or decrease priorities, or set specific priority. Tag action will add or remove written tag. Switch action will make rotation between tags. If you add an empty tag, it will remove it accordingly. List action will show lists you've selected. It will rotate between the selected ones. If you choose specific, it'll show them only. Exclude option will show lists except the ones you've selected. Repeat action will add preset repeat options to the task. Location action will let you add location-based alert from current location or your favorite locations. Duplicate action copies currently selected task. Follow-up is another new quick action. This will complete selected task and make a duplicate. You can use this to keep completed task and make follow-up task. By combining this with editing task title and adjusting due date, you can make a follow-up quick action that'll suit your needs. You can check follow-up plus preset to start with. Proceed is a new quick action that completes selected task and make a duplicate with only the incomplete subtasks. They'll be removed in completed task and move on to the new. Skip action will work for recurring tasks only. By skipping, due date will move on to next repeat schedule. Delete, complete, open URL, open reminders will work as its name. You can set up quick actions to use on context menu. Context menu is the menu you see when you long tap a task. Go into Settings, General, Context menu and choose quick actions you want to use. On Mac version, all these quick actions can be done with keyboards. After selecting a task with arrows, you can Command Enter or Command O to open menu with quick actions. Select one or type alphabet to go directly to the action. Press Enter and get it done easily. For prompt actions, you can simply type in and it'll be done. For prompt select option, you can press 1 to 0 number key to select options directly. Okay, that's it. Hope you liked the update. Thanks, and get it done with GoodTask.